Hello, today we are here to talk about a new palette for me. This has been released a few months ago from Simply Posh, and this is the Cozy Cabin. So if you want to know what I think about the palette and see some different looks, so keep on watching. If you're new here, my name is Cristina, I'm Italian, I'm almost 41. I'm a lover of eyeshadow palette. I have a lot, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Keep on watching. We are here to talk about this beautiful palette. This is the Cozy Cabin by Simply Posh. This is one of my favorite EOS indie brand. This was released last year, I guess late November or maybe beginning of December, I'm not sure, but this is the color story. I think this is one of the most beautiful palettes I have ever seen. You can go neutral, you can go green, you can go blue, purples, you can go light, you can go bold. It's a very beautiful palette. What about the quality? Quality is stunning. Quality is stunning. I did some swatches on my arm. Let me show them. So as you can see, okay, I have not so much space actually today, but look, these are the swatches. Swatches doesn't look as beautiful as the eyeshadows are on the eye. I have no primer on my skin. I have nothing, just bare skin and the eyeshadow swatched on top. Also, I have such cold finger that it was so difficult to do these swatches on my arm actually. These are going by row, first row, second row, third row. This bluish and these purples are performing very well on the eye and also the green, but they're not swatching so good as the other shadows. My most loved shades is this one that is called the Crackling Fire and also Snowfalls. Even though it doesn't look so beautiful on my arm, I assure you this is one of the best shadows I have ever seen. And also Snow Angel, this is such a lilac shade that I love so much. Also Cozy is quite nice, even though I'm not sure you can see the correct reflex. Let me try to move a little bit around. Look at this. This is also stunning. Maybe I can do some additional swatches while talking. The door of the bathroom, because we have a new basin. It's basin, the correct one, where you wash your face, okay? And we put some silicone around, so we need to keep everything open for the smell. And I hope, today is Friday, I hope by the end of the weekend we will be able to use the bathroom again. So just to show you, Peppermint, this is a Duochrome shade that I'm not sure you will see all the reflex, because this is pink, this is greens, this is browns. This has a lot of shade. I did 3 looks only, or 4. Oh my god, a lot. I did this one a lot of time ago. Let me say, I think 1 week ago. So I do not remember how many looks I did, but I tried to use almost all the shade. There are a lot. I did something purple, something bluish, something green, and something pink, I think. I need to check the pictures. This will be back on stock for sure in the future, if it's not when you see the video. There is a new one that has been released. I bought the new one. This is something peonies, I can't remember the name, freaking peonies maybe, that has complement shades of the Cozy Cabin. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Will I suggest you to buy this one? Yes. This is an amazing palette. The quality is very good, mattes are very good. Let me show you just for a second again. Okay, I need to try to swatch my shade in this area next time. The shade, the matte shade I love the most and I like the most is rustic. Is this shade here. Oh, this is such a beautiful green. Okay, I will take some picture of the swatches just to put them in the video, because I don't think you have seen that so good, so well. So I don't think you have seen them so well. Okay, I have to go to work, so we will keep in touch. If you're wondering what I have on my eyes, you will see this look in the future. This is from the Love Notes from Beauty Bay palette, and the lipstick on my lips is a matte trance from Pat McGrath's Flash 5. This is the outside package. See you soon, guys.